Here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres. The material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. There's a bit of a mixture of a few pieces of Koroit and a few pieces of just standard Boulder Opal. These have been randomly scooped out of a bucket. So like that piece has not got a lot of colour in it there. But in saying that, it's worthwhile seeing if that goes underneath this skin. That's why I've put them together, is for you to practice following the opal vein. This is just a nice piece of patterned Koroit. Not a lot of colour in that. Again, a veined piece of Boulder Opal. These aren't high quality, as you can see. Great to practice on, and the price reflects that. Might be better, a little bit of colour going underneath there. Again, like I've said, need to grind this off and follow the colour bar. Piece of Koroit, nice bit of colour up there in the corner. Runs around here. Done. Face of colour, low grade. Here's a nice piece of Koroit with nice colour right through here and purples over this side. Hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.